Right. So today what I'm going to show is a demonstration of an integration between Livepeer and Swarm. This is basically using the Swarm feeds feature in order to do video live broadcasting in a peer-to-peer and decentralized network. So let me just get started. The first thing we want to do here is to bring up a local Swarm node. Now this Swarm node not only runs locally, but it also can connect to the Swarm network, which is a peer-to-peer network. And that means the feed that goes into the Swarm node can be consumed by any other node on the network. So the second thing that we want to do is we want to connect a Livepeer broadcast node to the Swarm node that we just brought up. As you can see here, this is using the Swarm Gateway API, and we've also specified a topic that the feed will be running on. Notice that we're also connecting to S3, and this is because in a peer-to-peer network, bandwidth is not guaranteed. So we cannot send actual video files between the nodes, especially in a live streaming use case, because the experience will be drastically degraded. But what we can do instead is to write the video files into a traditional CDN, but use the peer-to-peer network to relay the manifest files. This way we get around the bandwidth constraint in the peer-to-peer network. So let's start this Livepeer node. As we can see, the node is now up and running. Now what we can do is go to OBS and start a live stream. So I just started my broadcast, and as we can see, the video is being created on the Livepeer node, and it's being inserted into Swarm. And we can kind of see this in the Swarm log over here. And now we can simply just go to the browser, and we can go to a local Livepeer player, and this is just a video player that I modified that now also takes in a Swarm, an Ethereum address, and a Swarm topic. So I'm just going to paste in the Ethereum address that I used earlier, and the Swarm topic. And when I press search, this is hitting the Swarm node, and then loading that feed that we just published. As we can see here, now we have a live stream. You can see it buffered a little bit at the beginning, but we generally have a pretty good experience, much better than it would if it was going through a if the video is also going through the peer-to-peer network.